Oh, he don't want to. She don't want to share, sweetie.
You're gonna have to get one of Lily walking up this your face, Steve.
Hello, Lily. Hello, girl. Luna, you gotta share. Oh boy. There's plenty over there. They're hopping.
Frisky on this cool morning.
Oh. They got a good looking belly. That's raw hog?
No,
I think.
that's his girlfriend.
Oh.
What do we name her? Don't have a name yet. What about Lucille? For Lucille Ball, she's red.
No.
Red hair.
You said the one with white face is Lucille.
Yeah, okay.
Well. Oh, look at Lily over there. Aww.
She's happy. She likes that green oats, don't she? She's happy about that.
Ooh, we got
Keep it
plenty.
on her. Keep it on her and watch her.
Hey, what you doing?
You're welcome. Go on over there and eat, girl.
There is in her mouth.
Look at Lily back there still running.
Hello, duckies.
See, Lily quit running by now. She's excited.
Yeah. I mean, the field is clear, isn't it? Now she can run.
She goes again.
Did you see her leg?
Yeah.